G'day, it's Bolt Bucket, and you're watching the Bolt Bucket Garage. Let's roll that intro. Now, if you're like me, you might have a pretty shocking steep driveway and a garage full of a bike and stuff. So, what does that leave you with? The whole world is your garage. And today, we're doing the mobile oil change. That's right, we're here at some random car park. We're gonna jack up this 1994 Fairlane and we're gonna do oil change in the car park, because why the hell not? So let's get stuck into it. Look at that. We've got tools for days. Parts, oils, fluids, jack stands, all we need to get this show on the road. Let's do it.
Yeah, I think it was wet.
Oh, that was scary.
That was scary. I even locked it back on, like, instantly.
Oh, she's up.
Yep, I'm rolling a bit more now.
Time to change this oil. Alright, it's time to get to business. Alright, so we got the oil filter up here, which is messed up. And then that there, which is also pretty messed up. Oil pan here. Let's try and undo this and hope for the best. Alright, new filter, new oil. Just fill it up a little bit first and I'll whack it on. Get through those grooves. Oh yeah, look at that pour. Get a little bit in there, should be right. Now for the money shot, just oh yeah.
You always have to lube the ring.
Just, can you feel that? That's
Whoop.
oh sorry, I went too far. Alright. And now for the new filter. Get in there. You're so good for your own. Get. I think this is a two-handed job. You're all oily. Oh. Get on there. There's oil everywhere. It's slipping. Oh my God. Ah! Oh, there we go. Alright. You recording? Alright, so now we've done that down there. Looks like it's all sweet. Time to see how good we are at the pour. Get some new fluids in it. You go sideways, try and steady on. Let's see. Oh,
Almost perfect.
now this is going to take all of it. We've already put some in the filter. Look at that. Gotta love these old Falcon 6s. Now it's a lot nicer colour compared to the blackness of the oil that came out. Not that there's anything wrong with black, it's just not when it comes to oil. Leave that there, we'll check on the gauge in 2 secs and hopefully we're sweet. Alright, so that's the mobile oil change. Let's start it up, see if she runs. Oh, listen to that turn. Don't worry about that.
Shush.
There we go, all good. If you like this, hit that like, hit that subscribe, there's more content coming. Cheers.